Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Ride in the Reaper. Today is just going to be a small video. We're just going to be putting on the badges that I ordered. Got the badges and then also got the little valve covers that go on the car. So I'm going to be showing you guys that. It's not a huge video or a huge modification on the car, but you know, all those little bits help. As you can see, representing local talent. Definitely go check out the Rebel. He has an awesome channel, also does awesome content. He's probably the biggest or one of the biggest or the biggest YouTuber in the Western Cape or in Cape Town or in South Africa. Yeah, and we just recently done a video together as well. He's done a review on my car basically, which the video should drop not this week, coming the following week. This video will be uploaded probably about Wednesday of this week. I'm shooting right now on Saturday, so yeah, video should be up and running during the week, and then his video will be of my car, the review of my car will be the following week. But yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna put on the valve covers first because those are the easiest. With the badges, we're going to need to, if I can show you down here, those badges, we're going to need to blast them with a heat gun. I don't have a heat gun, so I'm going to blast them with the hairdryer, just to get that 3M tape nice and loose. And you're going to pop a piece of gut, fishing gut, in the back there because that's the thinnest, and just put it down, and this badge should pop right off. Yeah, as you can see, the car is really dirty, but that shouldn't be an issue. We're going to wipe off the surface anyways. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, we got the first badge off. Sorry about the loud hairdryer. Here's your badge. So, as you can see, this one's tail was broken off, and this is like a plastic one. I got two metal ones now that's going on with some 3M tape. We're just trying to get off all the old 3M tape or adhesive that they used to get that off. And then once that's all nice and clean, we're just gonna get the surface nice and clean, get all that shit off, and then put the new badge on. You can see we got this one nice and on there, nice and shiny. The blue, white and red is all nice and clean, not like dirty like the other one was, and I think it looks pretty good. So let's go around, just busy sticking the 3M tape. We have our masking tape there as well to keep it nice and straight, so that we know it's straight. See, with the 3M tape, it didn't give a piece that goes at the back of the tail, so the tail's free from the body, and I think that's how they broke those other plastic ones, is when they were washing the car, cloth or something caught the tail and ripped it right off. I'm very satisfied. Looks great on the car. Nice and chrome again. Other ones weren't too bad, in too bad condition. I can just show you what they look like. They've also
I mean, they're also nice and chrome, but you can see the dirt there on the white and the dirt in between there, and that's like packed on dirt. That doesn't come off no matter how hard you scrub and try and get that off. It just doesn't come off. You can see what I spoke about, the tail just broke right off there. So all these little small touches that actually make the car look nice again. So all we're waiting for now is that one. And once that one comes in, we'll do that badge as well. That one comes with the entire new attachment that goes there in front to keep the badge on, so that's going to be pretty awesome. But I think these came out pretty well, as you can see there. Nice and chrome, all straight. Yeah, they look good. Like I said, just a quick little video today, just putting on those badges, and once we get that front badge, like I was showing you, I'm going to install the front badge as well. I'm waiting for that to come. These badges just came a little bit earlier than that one. And yeah, like I said, don't forget to watch Liberable, not this week when this video uploads, but the following week. He's gonna be, well, he done a review on my car, so his video will be up. And then yeah, we are planning on collabing in the future. We're gonna shoot a couple of things together, and then also SA Car Culture, we got a video with them that I'm gonna collab with them with. Also waiting for my t-shirt. I made myself a t-shirt as well. I only just made 3 of them right now, and yeah, if my channel starts taking off and you guys like the design or you guys like the t-shirt itself, then I'm gonna think about doing some merch as well, and start selling some merch as well, different kinds of things. We're gonna see what works and what doesn't, and then obviously take it from there. But yeah, we have to represent the local talent. I mean, this guy's the shit right here. SA Car Culture, Infamous Rivals, all those people, SA Talk, you know, we have to represent. I mean, we have to start collabing, start growing together, and make these awesome ass videos to promote the South African and Cape Town car scene. And yeah, that's the only way we're going to be able to do it, is if we start helping each other out, start building it up that way. And who doesn't like a little bit of you know, friendly rivalry, friendly competition? I mean, I'm such a small little fish compared to those oaks, but yeah, a little rivalry that'll be cool, it'll be fresh, to try and compete with those big oaks. But yeah, like I said, check out my cars review, the Reapers review on Liberable's channel. Not this week, next week. I know I keep saying that, but really check it out. It's going to be a really awesome video. Also, another thing is, if you like this video and any of my other videos, please like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. Yeah, I just want to see this thing take off. Just want to see this thing grow and take it to new heights and new lengths, and see what we can do with it. I mean, this started out as just me modding the car, and you know, decided let's do a channel and see what happens. So yeah, if you guys liked it, please share with family and friends, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, and yeah, keep staying cool, keep staying your best, and we'll see you in the next one.